Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft that allows users to organize, store, analyze, and manipulate data in tabular form using rows and columns. It provides tools for calculations, data visualization, and automation through formulas, functions, and charts. Excel is widely used for financial analysis, data management, statistical analysis, budgeting, and reporting in businesses, schools, and research institutions. In simple terms, Microsoft Excel is a digital spreadsheet program used to perform calculations, analyze data, and present information visually. Microsoft Excel was developed by the software company Microsoft. The development was led by programmers working under Microsoft during the leadership of Bill Gates and Paul Allen, who founded the company in 1975. Although many engineers contributed to Excel's development, the program itself is credited to Microsoft rather than a single individual. Microsoft Excel helps people in many ways in their works because it allows them to organize data, perform calculations, analyze information, and make better decisions quickly. It is widely used in offices, businesses, schools, hospitals, research, and etc. During the 1990s, Excel became the leading spreadsheet software after Microsoft bundled it into the Microsoft Office package along with Word and PowerPoint. The integration made it a standard spreadsheet tool in many organizations, and it became widely used in the corporate world. Some functions of Excel include data organization. Excel helps employees, workers store and organize large amounts of information in rows and columns. Example, like you can store employee records, sales data, customer information, inventory list, etc. And it makes the information easy to find, to sort, to update, to delete, and so on. Another function is it performs calculations. Excel can automatically perform mathematical calculations using formulas and functions. Example, it can calculate salaries and bonuses, discounts, budgeting, expense tracking, profit and loss calculation. This is super amazing. Tax calculation, and it reduces manual errors and saves time. 3 is data analysis. Excel allows people to analyze complex data to identify trends and patterns. Example, tracking business performance, analyzing survey results, monitoring monthly or annually sales growth. Tools like pivot tables and filters help workers to summarize large data quickly. And don't worry about the concepts, you will learn this in the course. Another function of Excel is that it helps to create charts and reports. Excel can convert numbers into visual charts and graphs, which makes reports easier to understand. Example, you can construct a bar chart in Excel, pie charts, line graphs, etc. There are so many charts there. And these visuals help managers or workers, employees to present data clearly during meetings or presentations. And if you are feeling tense, please calm down. This course will take your Excel skills from 0 to hero. And even if you have some basic knowledge of Excel, it is going to boost it and give you the confidence that you need.